Okay, now we want to move to the assembly environment. This is the assembly. Look at that. On the left side of the screen is the beginning of the assembly. So here's a browse, and let's see, all my components are in the main components. Okay, first base. Okay, first you have to bring the base. Okay, click on OK to feed this base on the origin. It means that the origin of the base and the origin of the assembly are fit together. Okay, very nice. The next part is the lower mast. You have to come here, assembly, insert the components, browse, lower mast. Okay, this is lower. Click the lower mast here. Click on this plane and this plane. You have to push the control button. Okay, and click on mate and click. Okay, after that you have to click on this and this again. Okay, but as you see, this is rotating. You have to fix this also. What we have to do is that come here, the lower mast, select the top plane, mate, with the top, okay, or right plane. Okay, perfect. And now it's not rotating because it's fixed now. Okay, perfect. For the next part, we have to insert the uppermost. Okay, again, browse, uppermost here. Perfect. Click it on the surface. Okay, now for this you have to click on this one, mate with this line. Okay, click on that way, and then return back. This line must be feed on that one. Okay, now I guess it's not fitted yet. Okay, select this line, this part, or this plane with this plane. Okay, now what do we have to do? This one to this one. Okay, it's fixed now. It's not rotating also. Control 7 for isometric. Very nice. As you see, there is no any rotation. Perfect. The next one is, the next component is swirl shaft. Okay. It is something like this. You have to mate this one with this one. Okay. Okay, mate. Perfect. And this one must become inside this one. But as you see, this is rotating. Okay, for stop the rotations, you have to come here, this top plane and uppermost top plane are fit together. It's not rotating anymore. Very good. Also, it's not coming up. And insert next component. It must be Nozzle. Okay, click the nozzle here. Click the nozzle here. Okay. For the nozzle, this part must be fitted in this part, mate. Very nice. But the problem is that moving of this, you have to push this one, fit it on that. Okay, perfect. But the problem is that this is rotating, so we have to stop this rotation. Controls. Okay, very nice. Very nice. To do that, upper mast and swirl gear. Okay, to do that, I have to come here. The top plane, front plane. Okay, right plane. Mate it with the top plane, right plane. Very nice. And this is also fitted. Okay. Okay, very nice. Now, I have to bring the hub. Where is the hub? Okay, click on the hub. Hub, here is that hub. Okay, the hub and this mate, but not fit together. We need a distance of 1 or 2 millimeters. 1 millimeter is enough. Okay. Now, this and this must be axisymmetric, like that. But I don't want to keep this rotation because the blade must be rotate. Okay, so skip like that. Okay, insert another component. Now blade is coming. Okay, blade is coming. This is the bottom surface of the blade, and this is like that. This is mate. Okay, now this part must be fitted on this part, and we have a rotation like that. Okay, but this rotation based on aerodynamical or aerodynamic lectures, it's different, but for this lecture I would choose something like this. The blade on the right plane. Okay, let's see the right plane, and on the plane hop. Okay, I would choose an angle of for example 20. Okay, of 20, and it's coming here, and it's not just rotating like this. Okay, now okay, linear pattern, circular pattern. This is the component of the pattern, like that. Skip it. You have to, this is the instance to skip. Okay, this one must be this one, and 3 equal spacing are fitted all together, and you can see that it's returning. Perfect. Control 7. Okay.